Well, I love Ravel. His music is drifting in modes and keys. It's often very light and with many notes suggesting washes of colour and moods. So let's take two beautiful riffs from Ravel's third Sonatine, and also because I love How Great Thou Art, let's blend them all together. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as I would love to keep providing you with free tutorials every Thursday. And a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, let's check out Riff 1, which is a bass run from low E. So if we go from our E note being number 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, and over to 12 actually, we also add that extra little note there. And this can come up the piano from any E, E, B, E, F sharp, G sharp, and B note over there as well. Going on to play this riff in different situations, we could also play it onto an A, right over to the 10th, 12th note there. You could also play it onto a B bass note, so B and up to the F sharp there. Back to the E. But you could put that into any key to use in your own songs as well. This links into a riff of Ravel, where we actually have our two main riffs together today. So a bit of trivia before we look at our second beautiful riff. Ravel was internationally recognised as France's greatest living composer earlier last century. He was labelled as impressionistic with his music style, and also as very forward-thinking in his day. He was also one of the first to give focus to recording music in order to share his compositions with a wider audience, a pre-YouTuber. And on to our riff number 2, which is a high octave pattern that we can also play the second note as a major second there. So F sharp there, E's and F sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if we're wanting to change this idea into two different keys as well that would match with an E pattern, we could go to an A chord, so an A note in the middle there. Then if we wanted to move into a B pattern, up onto the D sharps there. Suggesting the B chord there for your B tonality before we go back to the E pattern again. Well, let's link these two riffs together now into How Great Thou Art, and remember to have a go yourself at playing these riffs in your favourite key and also linking them into your favourite pieces as well. Well, have a great week and check out the next meditation video coming your way next Monday. Thanks for joining me and happy music making. Ta-da!